Should I wear my splint or hold a splint during labor? Should I wear my splint or hold a splint during labor? Yes, with a capital Y. I'm Julie Tupler, creator of the Research and Evidence-Based Tupler Technique program for treatment of diastasis recti, which is a separation of the outermost abdominal muscles. And wearing or holding a splint during labor and bringing the separated muscles close together will make a huge difference in labor. First of all, when you bring the muscles close together, you can feel them working so much better. And you will be able to push much more effectively. Also, bringing the muscle close together keeps the uterus in the right position, upright. When the muscles separate, and it is now the weak connective tissue supporting the uterus, the top of the uterus will tilt forward. When that happens, the cervix will now be pointing sideways instead of downwards, and a sideways facing cervix will put you at risk for a C-section. The cervix needs to be facing downwards and lined up with the vaginal canal to give your baby direct access out of your body. It is also important for a pregnant woman to learn how to push during pregnancy, so it is second nature when she gets to labor. You can't learn a new skill when you're in pain. I teach how to push in labor with my perfect pushing video, which now can be streamed. A link to that page is shown below. To learn more about how to make your diastasis smaller, please click on the link below for a free copy of my Tupler tips. Thanks so much for listening.